In a world full of smartwatches that try to do everything, sometimes what you need is something simple, something smart, stylish, and reliable. Today, we're taking a close look at the Runmefit GTR 3, a watch that promises premium features, modern design, and health-focused tools without the premium price tag. We'll start with the unboxing, then go deeper into design features and whether it lives up to the promise. The Runmefit GTR 3 arrives in a sleek, minimal package. On the front, a crisp image of the watch, which is quite clean and simple. On the back, we have a few specifications and also how to download the app. As you open the box, the first thing you see is the watch itself, also large, bold, and well protected. A part of the watch you'll find the magnetic charging cable and the quick start guide. Before we dive into the specs and features, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you use my exclusive promo code, you'll get 18% of the GTR 3. For a watch with a bright AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, fitness tracking, and up to 15 days of battery life, this deal is hard to beat. With the 18% promo code, this is an excellent option for anyone looking to enter the smartwatch world or upgrade without overspending. You'll find the promo code in the description below. Use it at the checkout for instant savings. Now let's talk about how this watch feels in a look. The body is made from a durable zinc alloy middle frame with a smooth back for comfort. It feels solid in the hand, yet light on the wrist. Speaking of straps, it comes with a soft, sweat-resistant silicone band, but you can switch it out easily for leather or steel depending on your style. This is a watch you can wear it to the gym or why not to the dinner. And wearing the watch, I could feel that it's indeed light, comfortable, doesn't feel tight, and doesn't leave any marks, which I quite like it. On the back of the watch we have the magnetic charging port along with the sensors and also with the speaker grill on the right side of the watch, so you can easily answer to the calls and make a strong conversation from your wrist without the need to answer on the phone. The GTR 3 has a 1.43-inch AMOLED display. That means deep blacks, bright colors, and sharp contrast. It's fully touch enabled and it responds smoothly. The resolution is 466 by 466 pixels, so everything looks crisp from the time to your health status. The GTR 3 is more than just a fitness tracker, it's a full-feature smartwatch. You can make and receive Bluetooth calls, get notification from apps, messages and calls, control your phone music and the camera. Also, you can set alarms, check the weather, and even find your phone. And I did all of this and I have to say that the response time of the watch it's quite great. I could navigate easily on the watch. Also the touch it's really good and I like the speed by opening a specific app or just navigating through the features. Now from the top side of the watch you'll have access to a short menu where you can access the lock, do not disturb mode, battery percentage, also the calendar, brightness settings, how to power off the watch, lantern, and so on. Swiping up, you'll have access to the notification. And with the help of the app, you can choose from which app you can receive those notifications. Here you'll receive updates for calls, messages, and app alerts. Swiping right, you'll have access to the most recent used apps, activities, event, reminder, weather, music, sleep, alarm, and the quick settings from which you can remove or add the shortcuts. Now on the right side of the watch you'll have two buttons. A customizable button, so from the settings you can select which app to be opened by pressing this button. And in my case, I choose the sports mode. And this is because I can choose from so many sports, including indoor runs, cycling, football, tennis, and much more. Note that you'll have the option to choose from over 100 sports mode. Now with the help of the top button, which by the way I like the look of it with that red insertion and rotative style, so you just press it and you'll have access to the main menu. Here you will have access to the most important features including the activities, heart rate, stress mode, blood oxygen, respiratory rate, sleep mode, music, flashlight, and much more. At the bottom of all this, you'll have the settings, so you can choose your preferences on the display, power saving mode, vibration, sounds, shortcut button, and much more. The GTR 3 continuously tracks your heart rate throughout the day and night. Whether you're resting, walking, or exercising, it logs your beats per minute and helps you understand your cardiovascular health over time. Using heart rate variability (HRV), the GTR3 gives you insights into your stress levels. You'll get a visual indicator that shows whether you're relaxed, mildly stressed, or in a high stress zone, helpful for staying mentally balanced. The respiratory rate tracks how many breaths you take per minute. It's useful for detecting abnormal breathing patterns, especially during rest or sleep, giving you deeper insight into your respiratory health. The watch can measure the oxygen level in your blood, critically for understanding how well your body is absorbing oxygen, especially during workouts, sleep, or at high altitudes. The sleep monitoring, it tracks your sleep in detail, light, deep, and REM stages. You'll get a breakdown each morning with tips to improve your rest quality. Every metric tracked by the GTR3 like heart rate, blood oxygen, stress level, sleep patterns, and respiratory rate is automatically synced with the Runmefit app. Once connected, the app offers a clear, organized dashboard where each category is displayed with interactive charts showing trends over time, color code zone to indicate what's normal, elevated, or need attention, personal insights and wellness tips based on your real data, sleep quality reports breaking down your sleep stages and durations, stress and breathing trends with guided breathing suggestions when needed. You can also set goals, receive reminders to move or hydrate, and customize notification right from the app. So it's not just data, it's guidance. The app turns raw states into something meaningful, giving you a deeper connection to your health. And note that the Run Me Fit app is available on Android and iOS. Inside the Runmefit GTR 3, it's a 390 mAh lithium battery, a solid capacity for a smartwatch in this range. On typical daily use, including notification, heart rate tracking, some calling, and screen checks, you can expect around 7 to 15 days of battery life. If you use it more lightly, minimal calling, occasional workouts, it can stretch towards the upper end of that range. In standby mode, or if you are only checking the time occasionally, it can last up to 45 days, which is perfect if you're a traveler or want to wear it more passively. And when it's time to charge, the magnetic charger, including the box, attach easily and charges the watch quickly and safely, typically within 1 to 2 hours. Also, GTR3 it's 3 ATM water resistance. That means it's safe from splashes, rain, and hand washing, but not for swimming or diving. So the Runmefit GTR3 offers a lot for the price: a stunning AMOLED screen, health and fitness tracking, Bluetooth calling, and a long battery life. With the 18% promo code, this is an excellent option for anyone looking to enter the smartwatch world or upgrade without overspending. And being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make an opinion about the watch and don't forget about the discount. And also, why not share your thoughts into the comments below. Until the next time, all the best.